We are Robin and Manon, and at the end of February we are moving abroad. Looking to this beautiful city, I'm like, oh my god, are we crazy? Are we really going to move? Since the day we met, it has been our dream to travel the world together, and we're finally going to make it happen. We're moving to
Santorini, Greece.
Woo! Traveling during this pandemic will be different for sure. That's why we made the decision to start slow traveling. Live for a few months in one place to really discover the culture and explore the country. We have 1 month left before we are moving out. This is our adventure of preparing for moving abroad. Good morning, guys! I found a foster mom for a part of my plants. Nikki! It's really painful to say goodbye to my plants, but I'm not really saying goodbye because Nikki can still send me updates of the plants.
I'm not gonna name all of them because I'm a little crazy but not that crazy. But this one is gonna be Robin because it's a monster. And this one really looks like a Manon.
Oh my god!
So I'm gonna have Robin and Manon with me always.
When we're in Greece, I will just post some plant updates. Jacqueline was really big and beautiful until we left to Morocco and we got stuck over there.
She looks like a Jacqueline because she's difficult. I'll put her close to Robin because he's a beast and he's going to personal train her into a big plant. Yeah.
We just went to the supermarket, we bought some delicious quiche. I just put them in the oven and we're going to eat. Jongens, food is ready.
Tot straks, Robin.
Yo.
The benefits of having a crate on your bike.
We're going to go to Nikki's house and we're going to bring the rest of these plants. I don't know how I did it, but I lost one shoe.
We had one too many wines yesterday.
Where's my shoe?
Let's go find whining.
Probably Robin will find it. Always if I lose something, Robin is the one who finds my stuff. Do you see it over here? Okay. I found my shoe! Look, there it is, baby. Ooh, it almost went wrong. Yay, it fits. Oh my god. The babies are leaving the house. Woo, it's so emotional. No, mask on. Let's go!
We zijn echt aan het verhuizen nu, hè. Daarnet kwam ik in de kamer. Plots was het gewoon zo... Al onze spullen zijn weg bijna. In 5 weken zijn we gewoon al weg. Very weird thought. Ik heb er heel veel zin in. We're now in the long street, the Langstraat in Rietberg. This is a really long street. It starts just behind Ledenbergplein and it goes all the way into almost the next municipality? Next town. Hola hermana, ¿cómo estás?
We just arrived at Nikki's house and we're going to pick up some banana boxes so we can collect our books and all these things.
Ah, dat is mijn oog.
All those.
Het is oké.
You've got 1, 2,
I got another one.
3 boxes.
Ja, het voelt echt als vrezen nu, hè?
Yeah. I know they will take really good care of my plants, but still I'm feeling a little bit sad, but happy and sad.
They will be taken.
Voilà, en binnenkort heb je
Hello!
Ja.
They will be taken care of very well.
Het zijn de originele
Oh my god! We were standing in front of the wrong tram stop, so now we missed our tram. Oh! What time is the next tram coming?
10 minutes or so. It's nothing.
Yay, the next tram is over there. Just arrived at home. We don't know what to eat, so we decided that we're going to make our own pizzas tonight. Pizza night it is!
If you want the best pizzas in the world, check out
Pizza Deluxe.
Bacon, potatoes and egg pizza. That sounds delicious.
For me, no thank you. Let's go to the supermarket! Robin is searching for his snacks. What are you going to snack tonight, Nishi?
Kidney.
So we got our ingredients. Dushi, are you ready to make some pizza? Okay, and guys, the kitchen is exploded. I think I never made a pizza this big. I'm sure I can't eat it all, and I used so many different ingredients. Oh. We're breaking our own rules. We're eating on the couch while watching a vlog. Bon appetit, Dushi. I just felt something like...
The heartbeat of the pimple.
Can you see what I mean?
Yo, yeah, what the fuck?
What can Aiden do?
Ow! Boo! It
echt
ain't ready.
Echt, it's a rock in your face.
I'm not looking forward to get out this pimple.
Amazing! It's massive!
Why are you laughing? Guys, I'm sitting in front of the television and Robin is farting the whole time. And he promised me to go from the couch when he would fart again, but he did not.
I promised to go away from you when I farted. And I like move the seat.
Boo! Next time you're farting over there. I just want to watch some television. I just showered. I am laying in bed. Robin decides at 11:30 to pack the boxes with books.
Boxes now.
And I'm like, go to bed, babe. Okay, so 3 weeks ago I started with Robin his training. The gym's closed in Belgium and
Oh, sorry.
Douchey! I completely lost my motivation and now I started with his programming and I'm so happy I started to train again. If you need someone to give you some motivation to start training, just slide in his DMs. Robin RX. And now I'm going to make some food. We're going to eat shakshuka!
How amazing is this breakfast that Manon made for me?
No! Shakshuka is one of my favorite recipes from Morocco. Wow, this one, I made it really good. I have my delicious coffee I'm so sad because I love coffee so much, but I just can't drink it every day. My body can't handle the caffeine for some reason.
How do you do it? You drink coffee all day, you drink one in the morning.
Het is niet normaal,
Echt
hè?
niet normaal.
It's so good. Holy moly. I had a workout this morning, delicious breakfast. We slept until 10 because yesterday we slept a bit later because I was in a call with people from LCA. I shouldn't eat and talk at the same time. You connect through LCA, Last Creator Academy, with so many like-minded people and they really motivate me to take photos and videos and yeah, it's really cool.
No.
So LCA...
But let's be honest, guys, it's just a bunch of girls, so they're just talking about guys all the time.
No. Last Creator Academy is a study Las LeBlanc created about video and photography and how to build your business online. And I started it, I was like, okay, I started it with no real expectations, just to learn more about video and photography, but the community behind the Last Creator Academy is insane. Our moving process from this week.
We got some boxes. We put some books in the boxes. A whole lot of books. So I had a lot of administration this week. I figured a lot of stuff out. Now it's up to next week. We're Friday now, so Saturday now, so government is closed. So on Monday I'm gonna do the final touches on my business stuff. And we're selling the final couple of things. I found someone for all the wooden boxes and possibly the desk.
Yes.
We need someone to buy our mattress. If you want a new mattress, we almost didn't sleep on it because we bought it just before Morocco. And we haven't been in Belgium that much in 2020. So besides that, I'm gonna meet up with my grandma. I haven't seen her in a year and a half or something, as I didn't want to see her during COVID.
We're able to play some stuff from Robin in her house, so that's really nice.
And then we're gonna go for a cool walk with her and have some food.
Next week is the last week of my work. This week I was working in a place where they sell cars. I needed to welcome the people and it was really quiet.
Looking forward to our next trip. So it's getting closer to February now. We're going to leave our apartment and we're looking now to book our plane to...
Are we going to say
See
it?
that in our next vlog.
Yes! We're going to reveal in our next vlog where we're planning to go to.
Maybe.
You
have to watch next vlog.
Yeah. I got a job offer for Sunweb, a tour operator in Santorini in Greece. But the job will start around the middle of April. So that means that we don't have an apartment anymore. We can go to our new home in the middle of April. So we have 1.5 months in between. Which means...
We're going to her parents for a little bit. Yay!
Yes, and then we're going to travel to somewhere. And we have a destination in mind. But we're just going...
We're keeping an eye on the news, on how everything's going. We're keeping contact with some people over there to see how it's going. And then... you'll hear about it. And
that's the update for this week. We're spending a lot of the time inside the house.
We're figuring out a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
I always
a
thought
lot of
moving
administration.
was just really easy.
If you have any questions and you want to move abroad and you want to know more into detail about which administration part we exactly talk about, you can just send us a message and we are really happy to help you and give you some information about the things we have to arrange before we can move abroad. And especially if you have your own company like Robin does.
I'm going for a workout now, so you'll have to do it with Manon.
Guys, I want to thank you so much for following our adventure. I hope you're all doing okay.
We're almost gone from boring Belgium. A lot of sunsets incoming.
Yeah. I'm so excited to start filming abroad again. The Morocco vlogs, we watched them a while ago and we were so happy to see the Morocco vlogs. We were like, okay, these vlogs were so
we
nice
got
to watch.
our pictures from our single-use camera, by the way. Wait, Manon is going to get them.
So, we had single-use cameras from Morocco.
It's a thing we do everywhere we go. We try to keep a single-use camera. And then we take a whole lot of pictures, like this one.
Look at the giant cactus in Morocco.
And then our comeback with Yara and Britt and Ruben. Manon by the pool. Palm trees. So, keep up the good vibes
And see you next Sunday.